Welcome to Inspire for High School English Teachers. This short tutorial will highlight the databases within Inspire that high school English teachers may find the most useful. This is the Inspire website. Inspire is a service of the Indiana State Library, and the web address is www.inspire.in.gov. For this tutorial, we will highlight teachingbooks.net, Explora for High School, LitFinder, and Points of View Reference Center. Let's start with Teaching Books, which provides resources for those teaching a specific book or author. Teachingbooks.net is linked directly from the bottom of the Inspire homepage. Select it. This will lead you to an older version of our Inspire homepage, where you will again select Teaching Books. On the next page, you will need to verify where you work. Select the one that applies to you. You may need to enter your school corporation to proceed. This is the homepage of Teaching Books. Type a title into the search box for a wealth of resources. Here I have searched for Wonder by R.J. Palacio. Selecting it takes you to that book's homepage. You can see in the upper right corner all of the resources included on that page, including book guides and lesson plans, and author resources. Scrolling down the page, you can see what the book guides and lesson plans section looks like. The resources from here come from a variety of places: the author's personal website, the publisher, and even our own Indiana Library Federation. For our next database, return to the Inspire homepage and select Databases by Subject. Here it is a little closer. Scroll down to Student Search 6 through 12, which includes a number of useful databases for English teachers. First, let's look at Explora for High School. Explora is a great resource for research papers. It contains articles from encyclopedias, newspapers, journals, and other print and electronic resources. These articles are vetted, reliable sources and are recommended for research projects over using search engines like Google or Wikipedia. At the bottom of the page are suggested topics for any students who may be struggling to find a topic to research. You can also search at the top of the page for any topic. Here is a sample search for the Beatles. You can see it suggests different general topics on the Beatles, such as influence on music. Or you can simply search for Beatles generally by hitting Enter. Here is the search results page. At the top is a topic overview. In this case, it's an article from a biographical encyclopedia. On the left is an area where you can refine your results. The search results tell you at a glance what type of resource an article is. And results should be available in full text as long as you have the full text box checked on the left side of the screen. For more information on searching in Inspire databases, including more information on refining your results and navigating the full text articles, see the research tutorial in this series. Now let's go to Points of View Reference Center, which is also under Student Search 6 through 12. Points of View is a great resource for anyone doing an assignment that requires them to make an argument for or against a particular topic, from research papers to speech class to debate team. There are a number of suggested topics, items in the news, as well as an option to browse by category. Of course, you can also search at the top. When you select a topic, The results page gives you an overview as well as articles that present the primary points and counterpoints. From there, your student should be able to use Explora to craft an argument further. Finally, let's look at LitFinder. On the Databases by Subject page, go to the Literature section. You'll find LitFinder there. LitFinder offers full text for thousands of poems, short stories and novels, essays, speeches, and plays. For instance, the full text of the play Hamlet is available. One of its most interesting features is the ability to search for a phrase to locate a piece of literature. For instance, I may type, "Shall I compare thee to a summer's day?" and it will pull up Shakespeare's Sonnet 18. Make sure that Primary Sources and Literary Works is selected in the top right corner, otherwise it will offer you literary critiques. This concludes the Inspire for High School English Teachers tutorial. We hope you found it useful, and we encourage you to explore more on your own. If you have further questions about Inspire, don't hesitate to contact the Indiana State Library's Professional Development Office.